In this video, I will show you how to make all columns the same width in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Then, select all the columns you want to resize. To do this, click and drag across the column letters at the top. For example, you can select columns A through E by clicking on A and dragging across to E. If you want to select the entire sheet, simply click the small square in the top left corner between column A and row 1. Once all your desired columns are selected, right-click on any of the selected column headers, then click on Resize Columns. A small window will appear. Choose Enter New Column Width in Pixels. Then type the width you want, for example, 120 pixels. After that, click OK. Instantly, all selected columns will be set to the exact same width, giving your spreadsheet a clean and consistent look. This is especially useful when you're creating tables, reports, or dashboards and want everything to look aligned and organized. If you ever need to adjust the size again, just repeat the same steps and enter a different value. So that's how to make all columns the same width in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.